Nicholas Sperling here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another day in my apartment, and today was a great day. I had some friends come over, help me out with some of my construction work. So a big shout out to Sanja, Noah, and Aradia for helping me out today. Your help is much appreciated. It's made my life so much better. If you look around here, it looks like a mess, but if you've seen my previous videos, you know how much less of a mess this is now. So let me just walk you through what we got up to today. So let's just start over here in the hallway. You can see that everything's sort of piled up by the door. I have been taking some things out to my van, and in here in the kitchen, Aradia spent a whole bunch of time tidying up and cleaning, which is incredible. I can finally use my kitchen again. Thank you so much, Aradia. And through here to the living room, everything's sort of piled up over here like it was before, but we managed to get a little bit of extra flooring in here, and that has got us to the point where the flooring ends past this corner. And that's important because over here is the start of a entertainment unit that's going to stretch across this entire wall. I know what you're thinking. Plywood? Seriously, are you rich? Well, I wish, but no. Plywood is actually the premium plywood, which is what I'm using here because it's sort of a more finished plywood. It doesn't require as much patching for me to be able to paint it and have it look nice. That was about $64 a sheet, and I'm using about 5 sheets of plywood. You can do the math. Not a super expensive entertainment unit for something that is made myself. If you were to bring someone in to do this, this would be unmanageable for most people. So this is incredible to be able to just build something, to see a space and go, I want this completely different. I have this idea, and to just make it a reality. That is really neat. And also just having Sanja here to help me assemble this, having Noah here who got all of this flooring up, made space so that this can be patched, took the doors off of the closet, and we took everything down to my van. So it's still sort of an overwhelming amount of work ahead of me, but having people to help me along the way has made things a lot easier, and I'm super appreciative for that. So thank you again for being such amazing friends. And I hope that I have taught you something about construction. And this is something that Sanja brought up. She was saying that maybe it would be good to have a woman on YouTube who can give sort of tutorials on construction. Is that something you would want to see? I wouldn't profess to be an expert in any way on a lot of different subjects, but I've learned different tricks along the way over the many years that I've done construction work. So if you think that you'd like to see me do a how-to on something, let me know maybe what that is in the comments. And thank you for sticking with me through the renovations. As with last year's renovations, it's difficult for me to manage all of this work while also doing weekly YouTube videos. So I kind of have to bring it all together. And I hope that that's still entertaining for you. And I will get back to doing trans content, a variety of other things. This social justice podcast that I'm starting at my work is going to be starting up hopefully in September. Then the social justice coloring book will be coming out later in the year. So there's going to be a lot of things happening that are not renovation related. And I'll put that up on this channel as well. But thank you for bearing with me through this, or for watching if this is the kind of content that you come for, this is what you enjoy. Thank you very much. And as always, if this is something you enjoy, please leave a like down below. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, have a great day.